Hey guys, I'm Elliott. This is Everything Elliott. We're in the shop today. It's cold outside. The heater's running in the background. But most importantly, I'm here to announce the winner of the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. Now, of course, my air compressor turns on. What would a video of mine be without the air compressor turning on? All right, so if you didn't know about the giveaway or this is your first time here, subscribe so you don't miss the future giveaways. And if you want to know about it, it's 3 items of merch. If you don't end up winning, but you're still interested, the link to my merchandise is down in the description of this video. I'll also put it in the first comment. So without further ado, let's jump over to the phone and pick a winner. Now I'm gonna do this by random. There's a website that you can just type the YouTube video URL into and it'll pick for you. So I've got that lined up and we're gonna figure out what it is right now. All right, Thomas Lomeo. So, Lomeo? Yeah, Thomas Lomeo. Hey, man. Well, as one of your very first subscribers, it'd be a pleasure to fly your colors, AKA your shirts. And what else did he say here? It disappeared. AKA your shirts and sweat hoodies. LOL, LOL, keep up the good work. So, all right, Thomas, since you are the winner, I need you to send me an email at everythingelliott716@gmail.com. Just let me know it's you, and yeah, we'll go from there. We'll get everything started. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day.